In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for dropshipping products fast and easy. If you're venturing into the realm of dropshipping and searching for profitable products, Google Trends is an invaluable tool that can guide you along the way. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, we need to access Google Trends. Simply head to your preferred web browser and type Google Trends in the search bar and hit enter. Usually, the first link that appears in the search results is the correct one, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, a hub for seeing what's popular over various timeframes and geographies. Once you're on the main page of Google Trends, you'll notice a section called Explore. Click on this to begin your journey into identifying trending products. The Explore page is where the magic happens. This is where you can input your search terms and analyze various trends that might be of interest to your dropshipping business. The next step is to brainstorm a few broad product ideas or keywords. Consider different niches such as phone accessories, pet supplies, or home fitness. Enter one of these keywords into the search bar and press enter to view its trend graph. This graph is an essential visual representation showing how the interest in your chosen product has fluctuated over time. Examine these trends carefully. You're looking for keywords that demonstrate a consistent interest or those showing a notable upward spike recently, as these indicate growing popularity. Moving forward, you should explore related topics and queries. On the Trends page, you will find sections with related topics and queries that can provide insights into emerging product trends. Pay special attention to those labeled as rising or breakout, as they could lead you to products poised to gain traction soon. This exploration helps you discover potential dropshipping products before the market saturates. After analyzing a single keyword, consider comparing it to other product niches. Google Trends allows you to click on Plus Compare and add other keywords to your initial search. This feature is incredibly insightful as it lets you understand which of your considered niches are gaining popularity faster than others. Lastly, don't forget to analyze regional interest. Scroll down on the Trends page until you find the Interest by Region section. This geographic data is particularly useful in identifying target markets for your dropshipping advertisements. Targeting the right region could make all the difference in the effectiveness of your campaigns. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Trends to identify promising product niches for your dropshipping business. Remember, the key to success often lies in recognizing trends early and aligning your product offerings to meet emerging demands.